Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 22nd, 2015. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. All right, let's get started with the S&P 500 E-mini futures here. You're going to see that they are trading higher by about 7 points right now to 2016 per contract. So we're flip-flopping around here a couple of ticks, but either way you slice it or dice it, markets are trading higher. Now, here's something that I think should be noted right off the bat. And we did have some economic data at 8:30, but the most important economic data that I'm seeing is the news coming out of Europe. So the ECB, Mario Draghi, the president of the ECB, is holding a press conference right now, and he's talking about expanding the European QE in December. And you can see the dollar is really popping off of that news. So you're getting a big dollar blast here on that news. U.S. dollar index, which is the dollar versus a basket of 6 currencies, most notably the euro, is really making a big move to the upside here. So the dollar is strengthening, and that was kind of expected a little bit on the news press conference, and Mario Draghi talking about potentially expanding quantitative easing in Europe for the Eurozone in December. All right, let's get back to some stocks in the news. We'll get more to Mario Draghi maybe later. But right now we have a lot of stocks out here. First one I'm going to start off with is American Express. And you're going to see the stock right now is trading at $73.50, closed at $76.51. I will have a gap level for this, but it does have to go lower. I think there's a chance of it going lower. But we will have that gap level posted up at 9 a.m. in the morning. Now, if you have not done so yet, yesterday was one of the best trading days in the intraday stock chat room ever, money-wise. We made some big money gains yesterday on VRX, which is Valiant Pharmaceuticals. And again, it wasn't one trade or two trades. It was 3 and 4 trades, and then we made money on other trades as well. The Ragnu algorithm also went 5 for 5 yesterday as well. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing there, and you could trade right alongside of us. But we had members yesterday making upward of $10,000 in a day. Now, that's not going to happen every day, but that was one heck of a day yesterday, and we'll see what kind of reactions we get in the market. And all we need is movement, and we will make money in this market. That's what it's all about. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and you could trade right alongside of us. Next up on the charts here, we're going to look at KMI, and this is Kinder Morgan. You're going to see the stock is trading at $29.55, closed at $31.42. There's not much I would look to do here, but a level I would keep on the radar today would be around $27.50. There should be some fair amount of support there intraday, at least temporarily. Let's take a look at MJN, which is Mead Johnson. This stock has already rebounded. It was trading down around $69, has come back up to around 72 3/4. Did close at 75.10 yesterday, so it's down a little bit. Has already rebounded. We'll look at this once the opening bell rings. But I was going to have a level for that, but I just noticed down that it did bounce up. Now, CYH reported earnings, I think, right here. This is a healthcare stock, and you're going to see the stock is trading sharply lower today. So the stock is trading around $31.70. I will have gap levels for this in the intraday stock chat room. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We're going to have gap levels for this. But in sympathy to this name right here, which is Community Health, you're going to see also HCA is trading down. These are all hospital names. And this is trading at $65.50. This closed at $71.20. So this will be in play today. And you're also going to see THC trading lower as well. And this is trading at, this is Tenet Healthcare. This is trading at $30.81. We're going to have gap levels for this one as well. So all of the stocks in this sector, due to the move down on CYH, are going to be in play today. So keep that on the radar. You're going to also look at THC, and you're also going to look at HCA. And I should have gap levels for most of these today. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You get all these levels and more, and you get to trade them right alongside of us. All right, let's take a look at Caterpillar today. CAT is the ticker symbol, and what you'll see here is that a stock right now is trading at $68.15, closed at $69.67. It's not a horror show yet. So Caterpillar's kind of holding up okay. But if the stock does decline, and that's still a big if, but if it does decline, we will have levels for that. A level right off the bat I'm going to give you guys as a freebie here is going to be $58 area. So watch that $58 area should the stock plunge. And it's, that's $10 lower from here, but nonetheless, that is going to be a worthy area to keep on the radar for support. Let's take a look at Texas Instruments. Big move there. TXN. I'm showing the stock right now trading at 56.09. Again, I think the stock has a huge amount of resistance at its double top around 58. I don't even know if it'll get up there. Right now, around 56, you are hitting a little bit of resistance, but the big level is going to be the double top. And you can see this better if you look at, say, a weekly chart. You could look at that, and there's your big double top right around $60. So, again, good little move for Texas Instruments. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But nonetheless, double top is going to be your big resistance level there. Let's take a look at Southwest Airlines. They reported earnings as well. And right now you see the stock trading at $42.35. So this is a pretty good move up, at least initially. Again, a lot of resistance here. And then a lot more on the weekly double top, which is around 46.25. Let's take a look at UAL. I believe they also reported earnings. And stock now is negative, was negative, now is positive. It's trading at $55.50, closed at $54.50. There's not much we're going to do with it here, but airline stocks are something that we do play a lot in the intraday stock chat, so they will be on our radar today. Let's take a look at Dow Chemical. DOW is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at $49.80, closed at $47.50. Again, little pop-up. I don't know if we're going to do too much with it, but we will be watching this one once the opening bell rings. By some chance, if the stock does run, $52 it should be a wall of resistance and a potential short scalp level. Let's take a look at Eli Lilly. I believe they also reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $78.18. It's up a little bit from the $77.01 close. Again, be careful here if the lows get taken out. This is a stock that could easily fall back down to 73.5. That's what I would look for as intraday support. Let's take a look at Under Armour. I believe they had earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $95.90, closed at $99.15. Watch for some support around 94. I'll probably have some better levels once the opening bell rings. So I'm going to see if I can have those posted up in the chat room as well. But right now I do see a little bit of support around 93, 94. And then after that I'll have some gap levels for Under Armour in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at 3M. 3M right now is trading at $149.60. Stock closed at $149.82. Not much we're going to do there, but they did report earnings. eBay is on the move today. Stock is trading decently higher. Closed at $24.25, $24.21. Now trading at $26.26. I'm showing a lot of resistance right around this area, so be very, very careful with eBay here at these levels. There's not all that much upside. It is also reaching overbought conditions at this stage of the game. So right around 26.30 should be a lot of resistance. After this, more resistance at 27. So again, don't look for too much upside on eBay. If you own it, I would actually start to trail the stop right now. Let's take a look at CTXS, which is Citrix Systems. Stock is trading at 77, closed at 71.92. So great pop back up, but there's a lot of resistance here at 77. So be a little bit careful there. McDonald's on the move today. It looks like stock is popping here, trading at 110.40, closed at 102.54. This is the biggest move I've seen on McDonald's in years. Give it the upside to around 112, I guess. So you could just trail your stop if you do own it. But I would not be chasing this equity up here at these levels. So in any case, great move there, but we'll see where it goes. Again, going back to the U.S. dollar, the dollar is soaring today. It is now trading up around the 96 level and getting a big pop off this European QE news. The market seems to like it too. Futures are now up 12.25 points. So we'll see how long it can last, how it plays out. But nonetheless, good pop here for the market before the opening bell. All right, so again, come over, take the 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us. I will have gap levels posted at 9 a.m., and I will have Under Armour levels in there as well. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day. God bless, and we will see you on the charts.